I got my buddy Charles here. He's a special guest because I'm helping launch his channel. We're collaborating on a new channel called Fish Hook, all about fishing. It's going to be cooking fish, catching fish, tying knots. It's going to be everything, right?
Yep,
And
absolutely.
how many years have you been fishing?
Without giving away my age, 35, 40 years.
35, 40 years of wisdom will be in this channel. He's going to tell you what to do and what not to do so you don't screw up, okay? But today, we're cooking what? The fish that you caught, right?
Yes, absolutely. Striped bass out of the Great Lakes of Tennessee.
That's it. Great Lakes of Tennessee. Do you hear that? So we're going to be cooking striped bass. So let's bring you in close. We're going to tell you about what we're marinating it in. We're going to do a sous vide cook today. And then tomorrow you're going to help me smoke, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so this bottle here of balsamic vinegar isn't just regular balsamic vinegar. Let me tell you about it. It was sent to us, and there's a link down below if you're interested. This is a quality product of Italy. Each bottle of the special edition balsamic vinegar has been aged 6 to 8 years to create a rich and tantalizing flavor. The balsamic vinegar is also, I don't know what this means, IGP certified, but I'm sure you fans of balsamic vinegar know exactly what I'm talking about. It bears the IGP seal. This assures you that Campagna del Montale Special Editions balsamic vinegar was truly from Italy. So I guess it guarantees that this is a true import, okay? And it's 6 to 8 years aged, so it's thick and beautiful, and we're going to cook with it inside the bag with the fish. Now let's start talking about the fish.
This is fresh striped bass, also known as rockfish and hybrid, which is another variation in Tennessee. Right here on the home waters of the Caney Fork off the Center Hill Lake. Very cold water in the 50s degree mark, and we trolled for it, and we caught a beautiful one, filleted it, brined it, and got it ready for a sous vide demonstration.
So how much is that if I ever go to the store and buy that?
Wherever it is sold, it would be $10 to $15 a pound at least. This striped bass is very good texture, very similar to salmon and other meaty fish like that. The flesh is very firm. It's flaky. You can make huge, thick steaks out of it, and you can do sushi with this, but it is a very firm white meat, very sought after. While we're waiting for this sous vide to hit the 120-degree set mark, we took our food saver, we took the striped bass, added that delicious balsamic that was imported, put a little bit in here, as you could tell, put a little bit of nice butter, vacuum sealed it, and now this girl is ready to go for a bath. Per the recipe, we're going to now insert the striped bass into this sous vide bath. It's presently at 120 degrees, which is the set temperature, and the recipe calls for 30 to 35 minutes for the desired texture that we want, which is soft and flaky. This looks scrumdiddlyocious. We just took it out of the sous vide, and at 120 degrees, we did it for 30 minutes, and you could play with that according to your liking. That's what the recipe says. And it looks phenomenal. So in just a minute, we're going to make two little pigs of ourselves and taste this.
So this is sous vide cooking in balsamic and butter. So we're going to try that. And then tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow's smoked fish.
Tomorrow we're smoking
Smoked
fish.
pompano.
The best fish ever. Like, it costs twice as much as this. All right, you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Grab a piece. Go ahead and just twist it right off.
Take a little. Oh, yes.
It'd be sweet.
You did it.
And
Great recipe.
You give us some dipping sauce. Let's try that.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, man, I'm making a fool out of myself.
I love
So
this.
good.
I love it.
I feel like I'm at the ocean. It feels so real.
Very, very nice.
Freshly caught. He caught it.
Yep, right off my boat.
So do me a favor. Charles and I are starting a new channel called Fish Hook. Click the link down below. Subscribe to it. All right? And we're going to teach you everything about fishing and cooking fish and throwing out a reel. We're going to review rods and rope, everything. We're going to, well, rope. He's going to teach me. It's not called rope. He's going to say it's called fishing line. I'll teach you about it.
Absolutely.
He's going to teach us coming up on that channel about knots. If you don't know how to tie a knot on your hook, he's going to show you some of the best knots to tie. Okay? Love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Say goodbye.
Adios.